Good evening to all of you. Welcome to the annual celebration. First of all, thank you so much for giving me time and deciding to spend the evening with me. I'm really thankful to all of you, because I know some of you have managed your tuitions, and some of you have lots of pressure, boards are approaching, and yet you could manage an evening for me. It really means a lot to me, because as a person, I always appreciate people who invest time for me, because I think that there is nothing more valuable than time. That's what we should give to each other. Everything else is just secondary. So all of you have given me so much of your time, and I really thank you all for that. This evening, it's also a bit more special for me, because during our annual function, we also give farewell to our class 12. And although I would say that as a teacher, I really believe that my students are always going to remain my students. You all are always going to be my students, no matter where you are, what you do. Even then, it's a ritual that we do. And today, I just want all of you to enjoy yourself. Forget all about your studies and boards and pressure, everything. This is an evening for all of you. This is an evening not for us. This is an evening for all of my dear students. And as an institution, this organization, it is named after me, I know that, but I never believed that it is my organization. I believed that it is an organization that belongs to all of us. If I consider myself to be the stem of this organization, then the knowledge that flows through all the teachers, that's the roots of the organization. And my teachers and my students, you all are the beautiful branches and leaves and flowers and fruits of the entire institution. Very soon, you all are going to be responsible citizens of the nation, and we hope that me and my teachers, we are going to give some wonderful people to the nation who are going to make us proud. And I would not make my speech very lengthy, because every time I try to say something, I don't know why, I think it's the drawback of being a literature teacher. It makes me very emotional. But one message to all the students who are advancing towards their career, be they are in college or be they are approaching for the boards, remember that you all are going to do something in life. Maybe you have decided one way, maybe God has decided something else for you, but you all are going to do something great with your life. It only depends on the perspective that you all hold towards your career and your life. Every individual is valuable. Every individual is special. And everything that you do will contribute towards the nation in some way or the other. It's not only a doctor or an engineer or a teacher or a scientist that runs the nation. Keep that in mind. So don't take the pressure that you have to do something, you have to compete with someone, and you have to do something that is worthy. Everything is worthy if you consider it as worthy. Every moment of your life is to be lived. In this rush, we forget to live. Today, one evening, we are just going to enjoy. No rush, no pressure, we are just going to enjoy ourselves. The teachers who have already arrived, I'll ask them one by one to say something to encourage all my lovely children. First of all, I'm calling Shrutapa ma'am. She is our Bengali teacher. She has been with my institution ever since the institution started, and I'm lucky in that respect. All the teachers who are a part of the institution, they have been with us since the beginning, since the starting of this institution. So first of all, I would like to call Shrutapa ma'am. She would be encouraging all my students with her wonderful words. এখানে উপস্থিত আমার সহকর্মীদের আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা।
প্রথম শোনা কথার কলি, প্রথম গানের সুর, বাংলা ভাষার মধ্যে পেলাম ছন্দ সুমধুর। এই ভাষাটি শুনলে মোরে জুড়িয়ে যায় প্রাণ, এই ভাষাতেই মনের সুখে গাই যে খুশির গান। নোবেল জয়ী রবি ঠাকুর, নজরুল বঙ্কিম এই ভাষাতেই রেখে গেছেন কৃতিত্ব অসীম। মা বলে যে প্রথম ডাকি, এই ভাষাতেই ভাই, বাংলা মোদের মাতৃভাষা, ভালোবাসা তাই। তাই তোমাদেরও বলি যে সমস্ত বিষয়ের সঙ্গে সঙ্গে বাংলাটা একটু পড়ো, এবং পড়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে শুধু পড়ো বলবো না, তার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তার মর্যাদাও দিতে শেখো।
Next, we have with us Saurav sir. He is our history and geography teacher up to class 10, and he has been with us since he has been with us since the beginning of the institution. I would like Saurav sir to say something.
Hello, good evening everyone. I would just like to say one thing. Up till independence, you all know that many of our freedom fighters, they had to do many sacrifices for our nation. So it is the responsibility of you all to ensure that whatever sacrifices that they had done, you all can fulfill it in a better manner, so that you all take our country up to new heights. So it is your responsibility that in whatever field you go, you try to perform your best, so that our country in the long run it can achieve even greater heights than what it was already present earlier. Okay, thank you everyone.
যারা ক্লাস 10 পাস করছে তাদেরকে আমি বেস্ট উইশেস দিচ্ছি ফর ইউর এক্সামিনেশন। 12th যারা আছে তাদের ফিউচারের জন্য বেস্ট উইশেস, ভালো করে পড়বে, পরীক্ষা দেবে। আজকে দিনটা তোমরা ভালো করে এনজয় করো।
Next, we have with us Shiny ma'am. Shiny ma'am, আমাদের class 11 and 12 এর history and geography teacher.
তোমাদেরকে আরেকটা করে কি বলবো, অল অফ ইউ আর ভেরি মিনস এত ভালোভাবে তোমরা এখানে থাকো, কোঅপারেট করো। দিদির কাছে মানে আমি শুনি খুবই ভালো লাগে। জাস্ট দিস এটাই বলবো যে 11th মানে জাস্ট বোর্ডসের এক্সাম সামনে, তো প্রিপেয়ার ইউর সেলফ ফর দিস ইজ ওয়ান টাইম ইন আ লাইফ, ঠিক আছে? তো সেইভাবে এক্সামটা দাও যাতে সেই রিওয়ার্ডসগুলো তোমার পরবর্তীকালে খুব কাজে লাগে। অ্যান্ড অল দ্য বেস্ট to both class 10 and class 12. Thank you.
The first day when I started my institution, my coaching center, when we decided that I'm going to start a coaching center, she has been with me since day one, literally day one. Right now, she does not stay with us. She stays abroad, but I still consider her as a part of my institution. She is very dear to me, very close to me, and there is a reason. I don't know, I can't explain in what the reason is, but I share a bond with her that I can't tell you all, and I can't even express in words how special it is. The occasion is more special because she just got married, and she got married on 15th of December this year, and her name is Ishita. She is a very dear Ishita ma'am. Some of you already know her. She has been a part of my institution since day one. She is still a part of my institution. এখন Ishita ma'am জার্মানিতে থাকেন, ওখানে পিএইচডি করছে, কিন্তু ওখানেও স্কুলে পড়াচ্ছে, কিন্তু সারা জীবন আমার কোচিং এর টিচার হয়েই থাকবে। So we are going to start our prize distribution, and first of all we are going to call out the name of our 2024 board achiever, class 12 and then class 10. and after that the achievers of the drawing competition. So Pragati will call out the name one by one, and I would like to take this opportunity to mention Orchishman, who is not here with us today because he studies in Chennai right now and he could not reach the event on time. But the other students who are here with us, Pragati is going to call out their name.
Can we have Ayush with us, please?
Yes. Ayush joined my class as a student when he was in class 4. And this year he has completed his class 12 with me. So it's a long journey that we both have completed together. And let's all give a big clapping for Ayush.
So now, can we have Kishore on the stage, please?
Now he is in class 11, big boy. We try to improve ourselves, and I don't know why it never came to my mind to do this before. But this year, I have planned something very special for all the class 12 students who are going to give their board examination today. I have a small letter. I will not call it a certificate. I have a small letter for all of them. It's a message from me to all of you as your teacher, and I hope my words will be enough to encourage you whenever you feel low, and I'll be able to hold a small place in your heart forever. So, Shiny ma'am will call out the names one after another, and as she calls out the name class 12 students, all the class 12 students, as Shiny ma'am calls out your name, I request all of you to please come on the stage.